I'm Shay. I'm from Chengdu, China, which is the hometown of Panda. I've been teaching Chinese online and offline for over 1,000 hours for students with different levels and different needs. I have a TESOL certificate teaching English to speakers of other languages. And I'm also equipped with second language acquisition knowledge. So I help you find the most efficient way to acquire this language. By the way, I also have a quite wide range of interests like exercise, reading books about history, economics, psychology, etc. And I'm also very approachable, so no worries about running out of topics and icy classes. As for my teaching style, my class is quite fun, but also very efficient and easy to understand. For example, I know many of you guys have learned this function word le and tend to compare it with the past tense in English. But actually le can be used for past, present, even for the future. Like 我昨天吃了晚饭 I ate dinner yesterday. 今天的晚饭做好了 Today's dinner is ready. 明天吃了晚饭我想和 Shay 一起上中文课 After dinner tomorrow, I want to have Chinese class with Shay. So, you see, le is not about the past, it's about the completion of an action. So, 看了这个视频，你想和Shay一起学习中文吗？ Then click the button and book a lesson now. See you around.